is minimization of given expression by using Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map. Okay, map. Karnaugh map or K map. Karnaugh map is nothing but a chart or a table. It has more number of squares or cells. It is also called as a cell or a square. The number of squares or cells in a K map is equal to 2 to the power of n. The number of cells or squares in a K map is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of variables. For example, to minimize a three variable expression, we have to draw a K map with eight squares. For example, if you want to minimize a 4 variable expression, you have to draw a K map with 16 squares, etc. So the number of cells or squares in a K map is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of input variables in the given expression. K maps are used to minimize SOP and POS expressions. For a 3 variable K map, first consider 3 variable K map, right? 3 variable K map. This is the structure of the 3 variable K map. How many squares are there in this one? 8 squares for 3 variable K map. 8 squares or 8 cells. These are all the squares or cells. Let us assume the 3 variables are A, B, and C. The 3 variables. So A, B, C are the 3 variables in the given expression. Actually, this is in this one there are 2 rows and 4 columns. 2 rows and 4 columns. Right adjacent to this row 0 and to this one 1. For the first column 0 0, second column 0 1, third column 1 1, Fourth column 1 0. Don't get confused. Actually, it is equal to decimal number 0, decimal number 1. This is decimal number 3, not the decimal number 2. That is decimal number 2. 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. And the K map is designed such that in the adjacent squares, there is a change in one variable. And for example, actually it is written as 0 0 0, and actually it is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 0. This one 1 0 0. This one 1 0 1. For this one 1 1 1. For that one 1 1 0. What is the decimal equivalent for this one? 0 0 0 0. What is the decimal equivalent for this one? 0 0 1 1. What is the decimal equivalent for this one? 0 1 1. So 3. 0 1 0 2. 1 0 0 4. 1 0 1 5. 1 1 1 7. 1 1 0 6. The corresponding min term for this square equal to, and if the inputs are 0 0 0, min term can be written as A bar, B bar, C bar. For this one, A bar, B bar, C. For this one, A bar, B, C. For this one, A bar, B, C bar. For this one, A, B bar, C bar. For this one, A, B bar, C. A, B, C. A, B, C bar. The corresponding min term for this square is A bar BC. A bar BC. Actually, and similarly, max terms for the corresponding cells are, so for this cell 0 plus 0 plus or 0 0 0 inputs, the max term is written as for 0 A plus 0 B 0 C, A plus B plus C. For this one 0 A plus B plus C bar. For this one A plus B bar plus C bar. So for this one A plus B bar plus C. For this one A bar plus B plus C. For this one A bar plus B plus C bar. For this one A bar plus B bar plus C bar. For this one A bar plus B bar plus C. First of all, memorize for each cell, and this cell is assigned with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Memorize 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, memorize 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for example, for this cell, decimal equivalent 7. What is the for 7? 7 means what is the corresponding min term for 7? For 1, 1, 1. What is the corresponding min term? For inputs 1, 1, 1. Corresponding min term A, B, C. What is the corresponding max term? 1 means A bar. 1 plus B bar. 1 C bar. Draw this one. 3 variable K map. Draw that one. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. For this one, for that cell, what is the corresponding min term? Min term A bar, B bar, C. Okay. For the same cell, what is the corresponding max term? To be 0, write A, plus 0, write B, 1, write C bar. For this cell, what is the corresponding min term? 1, A, 0, B bar, 0, C bar. What is the corresponding max term for this cell? 1, A bar, 0, B, 0, C. So A bar plus B plus C. And then this is the corresponding min and max theorems for this cell. These are the corresponding min and max theorems for this cell. What are the corresponding min and max theorems for this cell? A bar, B, C. For this one, A bar, B, C bar. For this one, A, B, C. Observe the min terms for these two cells, A bar, B bar, C, and here A bar, B, C bar, C, C, A bar, A bar. Only there is a change in the variable B. And from this cell to the adjacent cell, there is a change in only one variable. Observe these two also. A bar, B, B. Only there is a change in the C. Observe for these two. B, B, C, C. Only there is a change in the variable A. So, no doubt in that one, the K-map is designed such that in the adjacent squares, there is a change in only one variable. Only one variable. Note that point. Here and in the K-map, by using K-map, to minimize the given expression, the first step is we have to enter the corresponding ones or zeros. For example, if it is a min term or a product term, we have to enter ones into the cells of a K-map. For example, the given expression is in POS form. So in that one, either it may be a sum term or a max term. So for a max term or sum term, we have to enter zeros in the corresponding cell. In the corresponding cell. For example, to minimize this expression, y equal to A bar BC plus A B bar C plus AB C bar plus ABC. So this is the SOP expression. It can also be written as sigma small m of 3, 5, 6, 7. And here important point is to minimize this expression, the first step is we have to enter, and this is SOP expression. So we have to enter once into the cells of the K-map. We have to enter once. If it is a min term, we have to enter 1 in that corresponding cell. So 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the case of min terms, we have to enter once in the corresponding cells of the K-map. That is the first step. Or in other words, and first convert the given expression into canonical form. To enter the once in the cells of the K-map. Or in other words, directly we can enter. Observe A bar BC. A bar means A0. A bar means A0. BC means BC 1 1. So 0 1 1. Have to enter. Next observe. A bar BC and A0 BC, BC 1 1. So enter 1. Next A1 B bar C and 0 1 0 1. This one. Next A1 B C bar 1 0. This one. Next A B C A and 1 in this row. BC in this column. Enter 1. So the first step in the minimization of K-map technique is, first you have to enter the min terms into the corresponding cells of the K-map. Next one is, if there are any two adjacent ones, form a pair. If there are any two adjacent ones, form a pair. These two are adjacent ones, so form a pair. These two are adjacent ones, form a pair. These two are adjacent ones, form a pair. For each pair, one variable is missing. For example, for this pair, the corresponding product term can be written as, for this pair, A and 1 A. Observe this one. From this column to the from the second column to the third column, variable B changes from 0 to 1. So forget about that one. So write only C. So for this pair, we have to write AC. For this pair, we have to write A bar 0. Variable C changes in this case, so forget about that one. So write B. So A bar B. And it moves from first row to the second row. So eliminate variable A. So write simply for this pair B bar C bar. No doubt in that one. These two ones are adjacent. 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 These two ones are also adjacent. If we allow a rolling means let us assume it is a K-map. In this one, there are only 2 rows and 4 columns. So this is the K-map. Let us assume. Say this is the first column and this one is the 4th column. If you roll this paper, first and 4th columns are adjacent. So rolling is allowed. So the first and 4th columns are also adjacent. And for example, these two ones forms a pair. These two ones forms a pair. Similarly, these two ones are also forms a pair. For this pair, we have to write product term as, so for this row, A bar, from the first column to the fourth column, variable B changes from 0 to 1. So forget about variable B. So write here C is 0. So write C bar. So A bar, C bar. That one product term we have to write as A bar, C bar. No doubt in that one, these two ones are adjacent, they are pairs. These two ones are also adjacent. It also forms a pair. So no doubt in that one, overlapping is allowed. Overlapping is allowed. This is the one pair and this is another pair. So the midterm is used in both the pairs. And this midterm is used for both the pairs. For both the pairs. That is called as the overlapping. Overlapping. No doubt in that one, overlapping is also allowed. Overlapping is also allowed. So for this one, you have to write the final expression as, for this one you have to write A bar C. Plus for this one you have to write as BC. A bar C plus BC. Overlapping is allowed. Rolling is allowed. Overlapping is allowed. Generally, a group of two ones, adjacent ones, or zeros, is called as a pair. Group of four ones or four zeros is called as a quad. Quad means a group of four ones or four zeros. For example, it forms a quad. Those four are adjacent, so it forms a quad. If there is a quad, no doubt in that one, two variables are missing. So for this one, simply write it as form a quad. And if you observe for this one, from this column to this column, variable C changes. From this column to this column, variable B changes. So no doubt in that one. So for this one, you have to write only, there is no change in the A. So simply write A only. For this one, simply write A for that quad. No doubt in that one, it also forms a quad. For that one, you have to write A bar. These four ones are also forms a quad. Those four are adjacent. It's a form a pair, form a quad, and then write for this one as from first row to the second row, variable A changes. So forget about that one. From the first column to the second column, variable C changes. So forget about that one. So for this one, write only B bar. B bar. No doubt in that one. It also forms a quad. It also forms a quad. So for this one, we have to write, tell me, tell me. For this quad, you have to write, tell me, C. And from the first row to the second row, variable A changes, forget about that one. From the second column to the third column, variable B changes, forget about that one. So write simply C. It also forms a quad. For that one, you have to write, first column to the second, first row to the second row, variable A changes, forget about that one. From the third column to the fourth column, variable C changes, so forget about that one. So simply write,
D, sir.
huh?
D.
B, palakandaya. By allowing rolling, it also forms a quad. These two ones and these two ones are adjacent. By allowing rolling, So for this one, this is the quad formation. Draw as shown in this one. These two ones and these two ones forms the quad. So for this one, you have to write. So from this row to this row, variable A changes, forget about that one. From this column to this, from the first column to the fourth column, variable B changes, forget about B. So write only C bar. C bar. That's okay. Obtain the minimal expression for this one. For the given expression. So first enter the min terms into the corresponding cells. So 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no doubt in that by allowing overlapping, it forms one pair. It forms another pair. It forms third pair. It forms a third pair. So write the output expression, minimal expression as y is equal to, for this one we have to write as A C plus, for this one A B. For this one you have to write it as variable A is changes, so write it as 1 1 BC. So AC plus AB plus BC is the minimal expression. So in the K map, to minimize the given expression, first you will have to enter the corresponding min or max theorems, and the min or the max theorems into the corresponding cells of the K map. Then forms groups. The group may be as a pair or quad, etc. and write the terms for each group. Then it gives the minimal expression. For a 3 variable K-map, if there is 1 in each cell of the K-map, and it's a group of 8 ones, group of adjacent 8 ones, it forms one octet. Octet, and it's a group of 8 ones or zeros. Group of 8 ones are zeros. So for this one, all are ones means from this row, first row to the second row, variable A changes. From this one E column, from this first column to the second column, variable C changes. From the second column to the third column, variable B changes. So the minimal expression, and for this one, the minimal expression is y is equal to 1 only. Y is equal to 1. A group of 2 ones is called as a pair. Group of 4 ones is called as an quad. Group of 8 ones is called as a octet. Is called as a octet. Next, put aside the 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. In the 4 variable K-map, how many cells are there or squares are there? 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16. That is equal to 16. In this one, there are 16 squares. 16 squares. It's a 4 variable K-map. Let us assume the 4 variables are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So, for the row assignments are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. For this one also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. First draw 4 variable K-map up to this part. In that one, there are 16 cells or squares. In the case of 3 variable K-map, the numbers assigned to the cells of the K-map are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. In this case, 4 variable K-map, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 8. 8 ikkada kaadu. This is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Memorize this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Memorize. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First observe why it is 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. What is the decimal equivalent for that one? 9. For this one, 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the decimal equivalent for that one? 6. For this one, 1, 1, 0, 1. What is the decimal equivalent for that one? 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. What is the corresponding min-term? Corresponding min-term for this cell? Corresponding min-term for this cell? A, B, C bar, D. What is the corresponding maximum for this cell? Corresponding maximum. One means A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. So for this cell, the corresponding min-term is A, B, C bar, D. The corresponding maximum is A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Once again, take 1 minute time and observe these numbers in the cells of the K-map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For example, in the 4-variable K-map, to minimize the given expression, first you have to enter the min or the max terms. Let us assume SOP expressions, min terms. And the corresponding ones, and ones in the corresponding cells of the K-map. Follow carefully. No doubt in that one, these two are adjacent. Form a pair. Form a pair. These two ones are adjacent. Form a pair. These two ones are adjacent. Form a pair. These two ones are adjacent. Form a pair. By allowing rolling, these two ones are also adjacent. Similarly, these two ones are also adjacent by allowing rolling. Row-wise rolling. So the first row and fourth row are also adjacent. So for this one, how it can be formed? If it is to form a pair, these two min terms, that is shown in this figure. For example, to form a pair for these two ones, it forms a pair. For example, for this pair, we have to write the corresponding term as A, B. From the second column to the third column, there is a change in the variable C. So we have to write D. So A, B, D. So for this pair, we have to write A, B, D. For this pair, we have to write it as from the first row to the fourth row. First row to the fourth row. First row to the fourth row. There is no change in the variable B. There is a change in the variable A. So forget about the variable A. So write for that one as B bar. B bar. And it is in the same column. So B bar, C, D bar. B bar, C, D bar. So for that pair. A group of 4 ones is called as a pad. So these 4 ones forms a quad. So write for this one, write it as A, B bar. Form a quad. Form a quad. And for this one, write it as A, B bar. These 4 ones are also forms a pair, forms a quad. So it also forms a quad. It also forms a quad. These 4 ones are also forms a quad. For this one, we have to write it as simply C bar and D. C bar and D. So for this, one, we have to write CD. And one more important point is 4 ones forms a square. It forms a quad. It forms a quad. First encircle those 4 ones. For this one, we have to write it as, so from the second row to the third row, there is a change in the variable A. So forget about that one. So there is no change in variable B. So write B. So from the second column to the third column, there is a change in the variable C. So forget about that one. So there is no change in the variable D. So that is 1. So write D. So for this group of ones, you have to write the product term as BD. Product term as a BD. It also forms one quad. It also forms one quad. It also forms another quad. Also forms another quad. Also forms another quad. Forms another quad. Another quad. Another quad. By allowing rolling first and fourth columns, these 2 columns are adjacent. So obviously these two ones and those two ones are also adjacent. So it forms one quad. It forms one quad. Form those four ones as shown on the figure. So for this one, we have to write the product term as from the first column to from the first row to the second row. There is a change in the variable b. Forget about that one. No change in the variable a. So write for that one as a bar. From the first column to the fourth column, there is a change in the variable c. So forget about that one. There is no change in the variable d. So that is 0. Write it as d bar. So write a bar, b bar for that quad. Similarly, it also forms one quad. It also forms another quad. Similarly, by allowing row-wise rolling, so these two ones also forms a quad. So by allowing rolling, and the first row and fourth row are also adjacent. So for this one, that is a quad. For that one, we have to write it as from the first row to the fourth row, variable, there is a change in the variable a. So forget about that one. There is no change in the variable b. So write for that one b bar. From the first column to the second column, there is a change in the variable d. So forget about that one. There is no change in the variable c. So for that one, write c bar. So write b bar, c bar. Similarly, these two ones also forms a quad. These two ones also forms a quad. And one more important quad is all the corners. It also forms a quad. And then by allowing row-wise rolling, column-wise rolling. So for this one, you have to write from the first row to the fourth row, there is no change in the variable b. So write b bar. From the first column to the fourth column, there is no change in the variable b. So write for that one b bar. So write b bar, b bar. Memorize that one. The four corners is also forms a quad. Four corners also forms a quad. So after enter the min terms into the corresponding cells of the K-map, first observe four corners. It also forms a quad. So for that one, you have to draw the map as shown in this figure. So it forms a quad. how many quads are there in this one? Is there any quad? First of all, is there any quad?